Welcome to the Vlogmas, a festive adventure. Join us on this joyous journey through the holiday season as we capture the magic of Christmas from the with twinkling lights to sharing the heartwarming moments with loved ones. Encapsulate the true essence of the enchanting times of year. Get ready to be immersed in a world filled with laughter, love, and as we document our daily experience during the month-long celebration. In this we're posting from the 1st of December to 25th on this.
That's why the channel is scheduled, and we try to use that 5-6 days to rest for the following year.
Along on exciting escape days, including visit to festive markets, ice skating under starry skies, and trying out delicious sensational treats. Each moment, as well as soak up the contagious holiday cheer that surrounds us.
Cool
Tips and tricks for DIY, decorations, gift ideas, and ways to spread kindness during the magical season of giving. You know, Christmas is about giving. It's about giving for your loved ones. So if you love me in this channel, all you can give to me is to like
you
do as well.
Hollywood
Series initiate your holiday spirit, but it will also serve as a delightful memory. Keep safe.
Yes.
We believe in creating cherished moments and capturing them on camera to relieve the joy with our viewers. So grab a mug of cold and some snack. And join us for the festive adventure. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the Vlogmas episodes. We can't wait to share our holiday journey with you. Merry happy holiday. Please, as I always remember you guys, don't forget to subscribe to Anasa the new channel and
turn on the notification bell, like the video, share
in your DM, I mean WhatsApp, and be part of this awesome family. Please.